Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and see your Netflix email and password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Netflix app right there in your mobile phone. Once you open it, you will be able to find all of the accounts, right? So the one you would like to know the password of, go ahead, tap on that account, and once your account is open, you're gonna see this kind of interface over here, right? So what you will do is, after that, go ahead, tap on this profile icon over here again, and then you will find this accounts option given below. Go ahead, tap on it. This option will simply redirect you to this accounts menu over here, which gonna look like this. If you see above here membership and billings, you will be able to find your email address. But in the case of password, it's actually hidden and there is no way you can find it, or you can see it what was it before. So for that purpose, if you really are not sure about your password, go ahead, tap on this change password, and this will give you an option called forgot password. If you do that, you will be able to get an code right there in your email address where you can change your password, and of course the new password, make sure to take a screenshot of it or make sure to write it in your note. That's how you can do it. So do that, you will be able to create a new password that you will make sure to remember. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.